How to change name on Bumble. So if you want to change your name on Bumble, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection and make sure to have a Bumble application. So tap on Bumble and open up your application. Once you open, you can log in with your Facebook or with your cell phone number. So make sure to log into your account. So once you're here on the Bumble, once you've logged in, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom left. Once you're under the profile, now you need to go with the settings, which is on the upper right. And here you may have an option of change name, but if you don't have that, you can tap on your profile or your name. So you can simply tap on complete profile, and once you go with the complete profile, now here you will have your name. But if you don't have your name, then you can simply go with verify my profile and then go with verify, take my photo, and then you can verify with your account. Once you're verified, you might be able to change your name, but unfortunately we don't have any option to change our name on Bumble once you've created. So in order to change your name, what you need to do is you can simply delete the account that you have right now. So to delete your account, you can go with settings, which is on the upper right, and then scroll down, and here you will have delete account. Tap on delete account and then go with didn't have a great experience or other. You can choose any other options and then tap on delete account and type delete to confirm and confirm. And once you've deleted your account, now create your another account or create a new account with the name that you want on your Bumble. So that's how you can change your name on Bumble. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.